Today I had a Genius Bar appointment for Apple to fix my new iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxed the other day. As I noted Friday, out of the box, my front-facing camera was not functional. After multiple resets, restores, etc., virtual Apple reps deemed it a faulty hardware issue with the front-facing camera, scheduling this Genius Bar appointment. When I got to the Apple Store, it was super quick since there were two others with the same issue I had. Apple simply replaced my iPhone 13 Pro Max for a Genius Bar replacement model, essentially a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max, just no new packaging, retaining my old packaging from before. The Apple rep did not boot up the iPhone, but I trusted replacing it resolved the front-facing camera issue seen on the previous model. Heading home now to boot this replacement up, ensuring the front-facing camera issue is truly resolved for me with this new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Heading into the house, I'm super excited to hopefully have a new working iPhone 13 Pro Max. We'll unbox this again. Loving that Sierra Blue. The Genius Bar replacement model looked pretty solid, so I'm pretty excited about this. Unboxing it, using that same packaging, you can see the device that the Genius Bar provided looks really fresh, really clean all around. Looks just like it would if I got this on launch day. It's not a used device, it's a new device. Again, just a Genius Bar replacement. Hello, we meet again, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's jump right into the setup real quick. Of course, it's pretty speedy, so I'm going to go ahead and skip through most of the setup, but I do want to check out Face ID to ensure that that's working right out of the box, since that did not work on my previous model. So we'll go ahead and select continue here and get started. And wow, well, there's my face. So can happily say at least Face ID is working so far on this new replacement model, so that looks really solid. Glad to see that that is working. While this restores really quick, I will go ahead and kind of fast forward so that way we can go ahead and check out the front-facing camera once this is all booted up. Now it's still restoring, all of my applications are still downloading and installing. You can see that fresh 120 Hz experience here on the 13 Pro Max. Really excited to dive right into this larger model. We're gonna go ahead now and check out the cameras though. So the rear facing cameras look to be working, and well, the front facing camera is now working on my 13 Pro Max. Really excited to see that Apple was able to quickly resolve this for me by just swapping this out. The previous model is actually going to go to Apple engineering, I was told, to see what the issue potentially was. They didn't actually do a thorough deep dive at the store since, well, considering other people had the same issue while I was there, it was easier just to replace it. So happy they had replacements today, just a few days after launch. Really excited to see Apple support come through. So overall, really excited to have my 13 Pro Max in hand. Again, it's a little frustrating I don't get new packaging or anything, but I'm just really happy that I was able to at least get this resolved, and Apple did a phenomenal job restoring this and fixing this for me right away. So as far as the 13 Pro I've been using the last few days, while I enjoy that smaller size, I'm really looking forward to diving right into this 13 Pro Max as my main device. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions on this process or any questions in general on the Apple support. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.